Alright, here's a quick hands-on style review of the MSI MAG 345CQRF E20. So I've been using the MSI MAG 345CQRF E20, and honestly, at around $230 or roughly R4 it's kind of crazy what you're getting here. You're looking at a 34-inch ultra-wide 3440x1440 with a super aggressive 1000R curve that really pulls you into games and even everyday multitasking. The big win here is speed. You get a 200 Hz panel, overclockable to 240 Hz, and motion feels super smooth for the price. Blacks are also deep thanks to the VA contrast, so movies and darker games look great. MSI's AI vision feature even helps brighten up dark scenes without totally ruining the image. But it's not perfect. You will notice a bit of VA smearing in fast, dark scenes, and the HDR is honestly pretty weak. Also, no built-in speakers. So yeah, if you want immersion and speed on a budget, it's a solid pick. If you're a color purist or esports pro, you might want to look higher end.